Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick and easy churros. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth, thick dough forms. This is the foundation for perfect churros. Now that your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. This gives churros their classic ridges. Next, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Fry until golden brown, about 2 minutes per side. Once your churros are beautifully golden, it's time for the delicious coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. As soon as the churros come out of the oil, drain them briefly on a paper towel-lined plate to remove any excess oil. While still warm, roll each churro generously in the cinnamon sugar mixture until it's completely coated. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. For the best results, always use a candy thermometer to keep your oil at a consistent 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your churros cook evenly and achieve that perfect crispy exterior. Remember, churros are best enjoyed fresh and warm, so serve them right away. And speaking of easy, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.